Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Lexus HS250H. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and ready to pair. It's always best to be safely parked before you begin this process. Next, find the menu or setup button on your car's dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing the system settings. Once you're in the setup menu, navigate to the Bluetooth option on your car's display. From there, select Add New Device or Register to initiate the pairing process. Your Lexus system will then become discoverable, and you should see its name, often Lexus HS250H, appear on your phone's list of available Bluetooth devices. Now, on your phone, select your Lexus from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Both your phone and the car's display will show a pairing code. Ensure these codes match exactly. Once confirmed, your phone should indicate that it is successfully connected to your Lexus. You can now make hands-free calls or stream audio. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old, unused pairings from both your phone and the Lexus to free up memory. For more detailed or specific instructions, always refer to your Lexus HS250H owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.